Luke, sounds like tomorrow is just a good day to stay home, stay warm, and don't go outside.
Yeah, and it's kind of hard to believe because if you're outside today, I mean, temperatures weren't bad, but tomorrow we're just going to tank with temperatures. So it's going to feel like winter, and it's going to be a bit of a shock to the system because the past few days, even through Christmas, so mild outside. So here's the big thing for tomorrow. This is the reason we've upgraded to a severe winter weather day. Sunday into the morning hours and through about noon, there's a chance we could have brief blizzard-like conditions. It would not last long, but if you have snow coming down with winds gusting to near 50 miles per hour, it doesn't really matter how much snow comes down, but any snow that's falling could really reduce visibility. So we're going to have wind gusts near 50 miles per hour through a lot of tomorrow. And again, it's got to be paired with that snow falling down. And this is kind of the time frame here for snow coming down during the mid-late morning to about noon, maybe 1 o'clock. That's when visibility could really be reduced. So it's not a lot of snow, maybe an inch more to the north. We'll show you that momentarily. First, let's walk through it on Storm Predictor. We've paired wind gusts on top of the map here, so you can kind of see how strong the winds are when precipitation's coming down. So we could get some sprinkles here or maybe a light shower around 4 a.m. Temperatures would be above freezing at that time. As we get towards around 8 o'clock, maybe you get a little bit of snow north and west of Omaha. Notice the winds gusting to 40, 45, 46 miles per hour. Kind of splotchy, intermittent snow coming down. So if you get a heavy burst of snow that puts down a quick inch, winds are gusting at 51 miles per hour. That's at noon. That could cause a few problems. But again, it'd be brief and it'd be out of here quickly by the time we get towards the afternoon and certainly the evening. The skies will even clear out, but the winds will stick with us, and that will bring the cooler temperatures. You're actually going to start the day with temperatures, around 35 degrees. By the afternoon, we're in the teens, wind chills near zero. So a bit of a shock to the system. In terms of snowfall, again, not much, dusting to an inch Omaha and southward, a line from Columbus through Atlantic and northward, pretty much north of I-80, maybe an inch or two. And if there's anywhere that gets more than 2 inches, probably up near Carroll or Crawford County, maybe Monona County in there as well. Let's take a live look outside. We're worried about fog for tonight. That's about it. And you can kind of see how the lights are reflecting a little bit more. There's more moisture in the air, so not quite dense fog in Omaha yet, with temperatures at 47 degrees, a dew point at 45, so close to saturated air. Fremont, you're getting some dense fog there, and certainly areas east of the Missouri River and Iowa also getting some dense fog. So it'll be there until the winds pick up early tomorrow morning. As for temperatures right now, a lot of mid-40s. Fremont, we're not believing Fremont sensor right now. They say 27. They're probably a bit warmer than that. We've been noticing maybe a little bit of rainfall the far southeastern side of the viewing area. Some of that could be evaporating right now. There's a lot of dry air in the mid-levels, but that will saturate more as we get later into the morning hours tomorrow. So it's this system down here to the south and east that's eventually going to cause us the problems. And that front that comes through during the morning, that'll bring the cooler air. That'll transfer us into snow. And then that strong north wind will blow. And that strong north wind will be with us all day tomorrow. So let's quickly give you the 12-hour forecast here. Severe weather impacts through noon with the wind and falling snow or some mixed precipitation, especially early. And then the temperatures will really drop. So Sunday, severe weather day. You're going to wake up to temperatures likely above freezing, but the afternoon will be in the teens. Monday will be cold with wind chills probably below zero in the morning. So that's the reason it's an impact day. But we bounce back a little bit towards New Year's Eve and then cool off again for New Year's. So a bit of a roller coaster right here, Maddie, especially for tomorrow. We got to remember where those winter jackets are.
We just got to get through the next 2 days and have some sunshine, and then we just
the sun will be
that
good.
It's the new year.
Get some vitamin D.
Thanks, Luke.